Hello, quick little how you going? We've got a little bit of an install going here. Jacob's new territory. As you can see, it's a Ford and it's a territory. It's also a turbo. Oh fuck, this thing's heavy. At least the struts still work. So here we got, it's a 7-seater. We're gonna remove these back seats here, give us some more room so I can get the box down in there and get as much volume in it as I can. Underneath here, this will be all re-carpeted, so it's pretty. Previous owner, yes. So underneath here, this will stay. So when you open this up, sub box will be about here, so we still have room for shit in the back. Once these are out, there's plenty of room underneath here. Yeah, it'll be cleaned up too. Previous owner had kids. Gotta love kids. Nice and sticky. Be detailed soon enough. Anyway, amps will be underneath here. I'll make a nice little rack. So I'll have the sub amp, probably 4-channel over here. We've got a smaller amp to run the tweeters, and the Audison bit 1, so you can run full active over everything. That'll be in the middle. Try to do all the wiring all nice and pretty, you know how it goes. And then, yeah, probably install some fans underneath the front of the box. It'll be a false floor underneath this that the sub box will sit on, so there should be enough room there to fit some fans underneath the front there to bring airflow through. That'd be nice. Bring the sub box up to just the back of the seat there. So you're gonna have the sub on this side and the port on this side. Currently making a new flare for the aero port right now because I'm not a fan of just that PVC look. It's not pretty. So fiberglass and this one up at the moment. Well, not fiberglassing at the moment. I'm just making a mold for it. Just started sanding it all out. I've used expander foam to get that to make mold. And so this one has a nice curved little edge here. This will be a 10-inch diameter at the start of the flare. It goes down to a 6-inch port. So it's not too high. You know, it's about 5 inches, 6 inches. And yeah, so that'll be interesting to do. So basically once I finish smoothing all this out and getting it perfect, I'll be putting some fiberglass matting over the top and tying it into this piece of pipe here. So once that's all fiberglass, be fiberglassed over that, then I've glued these down with hot glue so they'll just snap away. Then I can flip this upside down, clean all the foam out from the inside, and then I can fiberglass all the back to stiffen it all up and make it nice and tough. Yep, so that's that. Got the Pro MDF 6.5-inch spacer rings here, and we're going to use to make the doors. We'll grab one of these now and I'll show you kind of where they're going to go. We come on over here to the vehicle. So I'm going to squeeze 4 of these in there hopefully. In somewhat of a diamond pattern. So have one about here, next one will be down over here, have one here, and have one there. And these are going to be angled back like this. So when you're standing at the back of the car, they'll be firing straight back. Because reasons. And we got some Crescendo Super Tweets upstairs that we're going to put in here, just one each side. Make a nice little mold here, so facing straight back. It'll also be good when you close the door. When you close the door, they'll be kind of angled back instead of flat. It'll be nice little touch. And yeah. Got the Sundown ZV5s over here. I'll be using one of these, all freshly reconed. PSI dust caps just to pretty them up a bit. Love these things, fucking massive. Also really bloody heavy. Do not like mounting them into boxes, not good for back. But yeah, I'll work it out. So that was my little show and tell, my little walk around. Show you guys what's happening. Bit better than posting pictures on Facebook. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Hello. Quick, you little how you going? No, fuck, Jesus, cunt.